All right, so today in the mail we got a very important. I hope you're as excited. I just got off of work. We've got a simple wheel waiting for us. Let's see, this is the foot pedal, and then inside here is the like tabletop. I didn't get the one that has like a base or anything. I'm just gonna put this on a table, and then in case I wanna do maybe like a trade show where I'm demonstrating how to throw on the wheel. I don't know. I figured it's mobile, I could use it. We could do tons of stuff here. Over here, we've got some supplies in any form where I need to add water. That would mail it. I don't see any clay in here. Right here is my clear glaze. Ooh. And then these right here are also gonna be glazes. Greenish color, one's a bluish color, one's like an off yellow, like a mustardy yellow. This right here is gonna be my wax. This is a pen. I don't really remember ordering this. I don't know what this is. So we'll figure it out. My decals, which I'm very excited about. These are underglaze decals. They go on like temporary tattoos. Gotta have the cactus in SoCal. And I went for a little nautical vibe. I figured we could put these. Yeah. We could put these on mugs. We'll
cut back when it's all put together.
Wish me luck in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.